Welcome to the rich cultural heritage of the Igbo people. Today, we embark on a fascinating journey to explore the beauty and significance of Igbo traditional marriage rites. The Igbo community, known for its vibrant culture and deep-rooted traditions, places immense importance on marriage as a sacred institution. From the elaborate ceremonies to the symbolic rituals, each aspect of an Igbo wedding is steeped in meaning and history. We will delve into the various stages of the marriage process, from the initial introduction of the families to the final celebration. Along the way, we will uncover the customs, attire, music, and dances that make Igbo weddings a truly unique and unforgettable experience. Join us as we celebrate the love, unity, and cultural pride that define Igbo traditional marriage rites. Before the marriage, the groom's family presents gifts to the bride's family, symbolizing respect and commitment. This tradition is deeply rooted in the Igbo culture and is known as the Igbankwa ceremony. It is a significant event where both families come together to celebrate and acknowledge the union. The gifts often include items like kola nuts, wine, and other traditional goods, each carrying its own symbolic meaning. This exchange not only signifies the groom's family's appreciation, but also their willingness to take responsibility and honor the bride's family. It is a beautiful and heartfelt tradition that strengthens the bond between the two families. The Ikuaka ceremony involves negotiations between families, solidifying the union. The Imego ceremony involves the payment of bride price, sealing the marriage. The Igbanko ceremony honors ancestors, seeking blessings for the couple. The elder's blessing and the couple's vows finalize the union. The celebration showcases Igbo culture's vibrancy, unity, and joy. Igbo traditional marriage rites embody respect, commitment, and community. These ceremonies are not just about the union of two individuals, but also about the coming together of families and the strengthening of communal bonds. The intricate rituals, vibrant attire, and heartfelt celebrations reflect the deep-rooted values and rich cultural heritage of the Igbo people. From the bride price negotiations to the joyous festivities, every aspect of the Igbo traditional marriage is steeped in meaning and significance. It is a time-honored tradition that has been passed down through generations, preserving the essence of Igbo identity and pride. Join us in celebrating this beautiful heritage and witness the love, unity, and cultural richness that define Igbo traditional marriages. Learn more about Igbo culture and traditions on our channel, where we delve into the fascinating customs, history, and stories that make the Igbo people unique. Subscribe and stay connected to explore the diverse and vibrant world of Igbo heritage.